Open app proxy client, select country and city, filter IP. All these IPs are available, find one at random. Then click Today list. Find the IP you just found. Forward port to proxy. Go to the port forwarding list. Find this IP and copy it. Open Brave browser. Open the settings. Open the computer proxy settings. Allow proxy servers. Paste the IP you just copied. Click Save. Open the browser to check the local IP. Obviously, the IP is the same as in app proxy. This is the tutorial on how to use ABC proxy settings in Brave browser. Thank you for watching.